For these questions, you're going to change the numbers from expanded form to standard form. So let's look at the directions. Change each number from expanded form, which is just a way to represent numbers that shows the value of each digit. And you're going to change that to standard form, which is the way you just use digits and places, the common way to write numbers. So let's look at some examples on how we can solve these. To get an accurate answer, you're going to want to use some strategies to make sure that you don't miss any places. So let me show you a strategy that's really easy to use. So you start with your largest number. So in this problem, our largest number is 7 million. So you're going to write 7 million, but instead of writing zeros, for every zero, you're going to make a blank as a placeholder. Okay, so you've used the 7, and then you're going to go to the next number in your expanded form. The digit is a 1, and it's in the hundred thousands place. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th place. So you want to make sure that 1 goes in the 6th place, the hundred thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to write the digit 1 there. Okay, the next one we have is 50,000. The 5 is in the 10,000s place, or the 5th spot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we put it in our standard form, you want it to be in the 5th spot as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you keep going in the same way. So the 3 is in the thousands place, so I want to put the 3 over here in the thousands place. Okay, the 8 is in the hundreds place, the 3rd place, so I want to make sure the 8 is also in the hundreds place in my standard form. Okay, and I have one more digit to put, but I have 2 spots left. So I just need to make sure I put the 4 in the spot that it actually goes in. So this 4 is in the ones place, so I need to make sure I put it in the ones place in my standard form as well. At the end, any blanks that you have, you just fill them with zeros. So the standard form for this number is 7,153,804. All right, let's do number 3. We'll do one more example. So in this case, 4 million is our greatest number. So I'm going to write 4 million, but instead of writing zeros, I'm going to write blanks for placeholders for each digit that's going to go in the number. Okay, so I'm going to go to my next one, 6 in a hundred thousands place. So I want to make sure I keep that 6 in the hundred thousands place. If you're ever wondering, just count how many places it is and count again. Okay, next is 2. This time it's in the thousands place, or the 4th spot. So I can't just put it in the next blank because that wouldn't be the thousands place. I have to make sure that digit goes in the thousands place. The next digit is a 1, and it falls in the hundreds place. The next digit is an 8, and it goes in the tens place. And the last digit is a 3, and it goes in the ones place. And before you're done, you just need to go back and make sure that you put zeros in any place value that's empty. And so in the end, our standard form is 4,602,183. All right, you can try some on your own, and if you need to watch the video again, it might help. Good luck.